separation by phase addition, and as you can imagine, we are going to be adding a external phase, and this is typically done by MSA, mass separating agent. This technique adds another fluid phase which selectively absorbs, extracts, strips certain species from the feed. The most common operation of this type, as I already stated, is gas absorption, liquid-liquid extraction, solid extraction, stripping of gases, and so on. Let's focus our attention into liquid-liquid extraction, where the feed is liquid 1 and a second feed, immiscible liquid, will be the second phase. So this is the second phase. And absorption, where the feed is vapor and liquid of low volatility, is added. So actually this is another process, to do not confuse. Liquid-liquid extraction, you have your liquid 1 and you have your liquid 2. Solid. What you're going to do is mix by addition of MSA and get your solid right here. In both cases, liquid-liquid extraction and absorption or stripping, species solubilities are significantly different in the added phase, meaning that the solubility of our solid right here is much higher in L1 rather than L2, and the same is true here. You have your gas going in, out, and we have our liquid going in. We are spraying, throwing away liquid. There will be interaction of the gas and the liquid. Our liquid removes all the pollutants, so we have liquid plus pollutants, and we have gas alone. This will be gas with the pollutants. So what I want to show you here is that actually the solubility of the pollutants in the gas phase is much less than the solubility of the pollutants in the liquid phase. Therefore, we are exploiting the solubility properties of the system.